Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at SuperBase and the warnings that you may be getting when you use the default setup within SuperBase. These could be because you had your project set up via a AI app builder such as famous.ai, or you just set it up with the default settings. On the left-hand side, you'll probably see this little light bulb with a red dot, a notification dot next to it. If you go to that light bulb, you'll either see errors and warnings. I've seen some people have errors, which are things that you definitely want to be fixing very quickly. And then warnings are good practice. And in my eyes, you should have no warnings, no errors in this screen. We're going to go and look at the warnings, and I bet you that if you go to your project, you will have these two warnings unless you've already fixed them. The auth one-time password long expiry, it exceeds the recommended threshold, and the leaked password protection is disabled. We're going to show you, or I'm going to show you, how to fix this straight away. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on this little padlock for authentication. And then you're going to go ahead and click sign in and providers. You're going to scroll down to where it says email, and you're going to click on email, and this little drawer will come out the side. First thing you're going to do is switch on prevent use of leaked passwords. Switch that on. Scroll down. A good suggestion would be no required characters default. This is kind of a scary setting because it basically means that you only really need 6 characters in the system, and so um, you could use any characters, so you could use uppercase, lowercase. You don't have a particular requirement. So I think as a minimum, you should set it to lowercase, uppercase, and digits. But like most passwords are now requiring symbols, this is the recommended setting. And then the last one is that expiry for the one-time password. Currently, by default, it's set to 86,400 seconds. 86,400 seconds is 1,440 minutes, which is 24 hours. So that's not a good idea to have a one-time password last for 24 hours. I would make this something like 600 seconds. That's 10 minutes. That should be plenty for them to find their code that you sent them. Go ahead and click save. And once you've clicked save and it's done its job, you can now come back to this little light bulb and come here and look. 2 warnings gone, no warnings, no warnings, no suggestions, and the little dot next to advisors has vanished. And now you have a pretty secure setup for your sign-in process. It is a good idea, however, to look at the other settings under that sign-in process, because you may find that just tightening them up a little bit makes your app a little bit more secure. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those nice things, because that helps support my channel, which makes me make more videos for you. Thank you.